Yes, welcome to Computer Laptop Shop Repair in Nairobi, different solutions. We are doing laptop screens replacements, laptop batteries, laptop adapters, power cables. We have also laptop keyboards, backlight, and US, English, UK versions, all model of laptop keyboards. We also do laptop casings, refurbished laptops. We also do software installation and upgrade, drivers installation, and also we do computer services, dusting, overheating problems, motherboard repairs and replacements. We also do MacBook and MacBook Air spare parts, replacement and repair also. We are located around Moi Avenue in Lahimtura Trust building. It's just right opposite Bihi Towers near the Bazaar, former TC building. Welcome anytime. We are ready to serve you. Our hotline number to find us is 0700 47 45 50.